I'll go bitch sometime, man. I must tell that one time, you know, like. But, yo.
Yeah, call bitch.
Where them from?
Yeah, call bitch. Don't fuck
Where
yourself. Don't fuck yourself. Don't ever call
where them from?
bitch.
If you
Don't
call
fuck
them-
yourself.
That we belong to. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Dreaming of you every night,
Saga.
every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is back again with another prank. As you can see by the title, right now, I'm going to attempt calling Abby the B word. Still she gonna react. Guys, I can't talk too loud. She in the bathroom. She take a number 2. So right now, I have to hurry up and do the intro. So guys, what day I'm gonna do my prank Abby? She had my laptop away. She had my laptop rough and me I try to make sure she don't mash it up. So this time, my idea is to pretend like my laptop actually get mashed up. Alright, so I'm gonna do it. So when you come from the bathroom and start cussing and say, yo Abby, yeah, mash up my laptop, you know, in an hour good, you know. And I feel like if I do that, she go start, you know, get back vex and start cuss back with me. And at that point now, I find a way to call her the B word and save her that shit. But no, Abby mad already enough. So right now, I know say that prank here is a prank way. It testing some art a bit fast. And if I try and make sure say I go try and make sure say I pull it off properly. So guys, spam the comment section with Team Capo and pray for me in the comment section, guys. Pray for me. Subscribe if you're not new, turn on notification bell. Also, subscribe to Abby and Capo Comedy TV. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Alright people. Also, go and subscribe to Abby's Madness. Subscribe to Abby's Madness. So guys, today we have the 2 shout out. The first one goes out to Ash Media. Ash Media know about YouTube channel. She asked for I want to subscribe by them. So I want to go over there and subscribe to her channel. Show her some love. Tell her say Abby and Capo sending over there. So go subscribe, watch our videos them people. The next shout out goes to Chevy and Shika. Them are also a YouTube couple, them brand new. So I want to go by them channel and just subscribe. Show them some love. Tell them say Abby and Capo sending you. Guys, I don't have much time. So right now, I go up and make sure I put on the camera something neat and nice. And the prank can be a real good one. So just start spam the comment section again with Team Capo and hit the like button, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, so the plan is as you walk in, I'm gonna just kick the video off same time. So I have my laptop, I look on it like someone do it, and as you come in, I just start cussing around and say, yo, you know, say much on my laptop though, it now we're good enough, from what it now we're good. You understand? So when I have video itch me up, make sure I'm jumping at the same time, people. What man? You want to tell people? Guys, I just get some tell the people. So she still that shit, like that shit that take longer than I speak. But anyway, the prank must go on. You have to buy yourself some time, yeah, man.
What you born me?
No, I bought a batty, man.
It's bad, man.
Okay.
Take it off.
What?
Big piece of shit.
I don't know how you want shit. I tell you the truth right now.
Big piece of shit go out and bore my body. I said, jeans and
My laptop.
What?
Laptop now from what you know?
I mean, I have to know if I were there, but I just say.
From what you fuck up my laptop, Abby?
When I just say use the laptop, what I mean?
Abby, from what you come and film my laptop and I charge my laptop from what you know and I turn on the screen, you know?
When?
I mean when? What day?
Keep on batting. I know.
Yo, you fuck up my laptop, Abby.
Oh.
Abby, stuck that stuck now and a malfunction.
My laptop been at the
And I run.
Your laptop been at the
Yo, don't complain me now.
Yeah, but I see what something like that.
Yo, Abby, you
Yeah,
might
shit on the
say no.
back.
I'm not chatting with Abby, my friend. I'm serious about it too. This I forgot buy back or something, you know?
Yeah, you that? I left my mash that up for you, but now buy back shit.
What do you mean?
Can you mash up my laptop and I tell you some buy back?
Oh,
no.
Don't mash up my laptop. Are you mash up my laptop? Don't
You mash
complain,
up my
man.
laptop, batty boy.
Abby, you messing up. You fuck up my laptop again.
Hold on, darling.
Watch out. You can't be locked down with her. Watch out. Watch it. Pin on that flick out. There's a lot of thing, man. You know, it's trifle, you know? It's happening when they come near the man. It's happening by myself. Don't touch me, no. It's happening stay by myself here, because right now, I'm away now. And that I try to show you. You're not benefiting me no way at all.
So go there. Go there.
No, 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 no. Then I fuck up my laptop.
Oh.
You know,
Yeah, but
no way, shape or
before
form.
I go shit with the laptop, then I
It's
will
a
buy them.
malfunction, because what me do, me not joke with you. You have to turn the laptop screen and then sitting there.
So why never that malfunction before I go
The
shit?
button never come on left
Why
side
never
there.
that malfunction before I go shit?
From what the man observe the laptop and now we're good at it.
Yeah, but from what they both of you use it, so if I
Watch
somebody
that,
care,
watch that. You fuck up on my earphone. Watch it.
you
This-
know
the thing you
that
put on
an
what,
accident.
I've seen him mash up my laptop by accident. And
You
you have
can
about-
take
you
my
have about this,
earphone,
everybody's-
take my
yeah,
earphone. No, take my
You
earphone.
see?
My earphone.
Alright, so
my
agree to this,
earphone.
agree to this then, no?
I'm not agree to that.
Why?
Because two where I use that.
You know
I want to
matter.
mash up this in one video. Come
I
free
mean,
it where I
no
feel
matter, you
it.
use my laptop, fuck up my laptop on me.
Yeah, fuck you.
You can't put my laptop on me. You can't put my laptop.
Oh.
Told that my laptop, ignore it. I told that my laptop. Must have gift, you know, and me buy it, you know.
But you're funny, you know. You're a shit fat, you know.
Yo, my friend,
all
yo.
them fat shit that come at people. But
Me try, yo, you must know.
yeah, but stop that now.
If I can have sense, if I can eat that. So what do you got rid of it? You don't eat that to somebody else. You know, you can't laugh, you know.
And I'm really. And you tell
You want to have fat too.
don't fight in there.
Yo,
Why
you're
not
disgusting, my friend. You care about, you're gonna public act like you have sense. You know, it's like I can have sense and off neither. I'm not gonna go bitch sometime, man. I must tell that one time, but now you know like. But
We
yo,
are garbage.
where them from?
We are garbage. Don't fuck
Where
yourself.
that
Don't fuck
Where
yourself. Don't ever
where them
come
from?
bitch.
If you
Don't
call
fuck
them bitch.
yourself. Don't fuck yourself.
You ever say that?
Where I come bitch, but
You
don't
ever
fuck
say that?
yourself. Don't fuck yourself. Can me mash that up
You
with
ever say that like a girl?
You mash it up with you, move it. And don't fuck
Never say that
yourself.
to you. Don't come to me again. I'm saying that to you, man. When I ears them after again and sense, man. When I ears them, my girl.
But
Some fucking ears. I never say that, brother.
where you say?
They must have some broken ears. See broken ears, are
Stop talking to me, sir.
See broken ears?
Stop talking to me, sir.
See broken ears, man. I'm to you. I can hear so.
I'm serious. Don't ever call me no bitch again.
Never call it that.
Only tell you I love to do that and we had some
I never
fucking
call it that.
video. Don't fuck
Don't come
yourself.
back to the man. Never
Don't
call it
fuck
that. Never
yourself.
call it that,
I'm
though.
serious.
Never call it that, though.
I don't talk.
I say, I'm telling you, Richard, you have to call it, bitch.
You never say rich. First you
Rich
never
must
said
say.
that word there. First you never said that word there.
Yo, stop touching me like
Let
that,
me say
you know.
don't fuck yourself.
Watch your mouth, man.
Don't
Because I can eat that in
Do
public.
not fuck
Tell the
yourself
truth.
and call me no bitch.
Fuck up my laptop.
You frig up your own laptop. I never frig it up with you, me not buy back shit because you frig up my laptop. You make me not have my laptop. But guess what, me not pressure you.
Yeah, buy back your laptop. But fix up mine, fix back here. Simple as that.
You mash up mine all along. So you fix that back and then I consider that.
Consider?
Yeah.
What that's supposed to mean? Yo, take care, man. Yo, man.
But I thought me there, I come tell you about my shit, you come and bring
Me go
laptop.
in public.
Before I go in my
No,
room,
push
my
my laptop,
laptop
man.
was just fine.
When I'm public, you act like you eat that in public. You're not private, you act like you eat that in private. Behave like you're not sent from what day.
Well, I guess me not no sense then.
You eat that or what?
Me's a clown, me's a idiot, me's a fool. Yeah, do with me.
You can go and batty good.
Don't know wrong, I'm do that while I'm body wipe
You
and
think
it's
of shit,
clean.
man.
You're looking at the bed
Disgusting.
soon. Rather my body stink of shit than your mouth.
My friend, don't this say no.
Mm.
Bitch, you feel like you know, like you know.
Yeah, boy, stop calling me that. Yeah, calm me that.
You used to not say
Come
what?
up from bed. Come up from bed.
Come on, call it.
Yeah, come.
Oh, come on, call it. Come on, call it.
Okay, old time and don't fuck yourself. Right. If I'm old fucking better calm me.
Come on, call it.
No.
Come on, call it.
I'm serious.
Come on, call it.
I'm
You
serious.
can't, you can't, man.
Alright.
You don't want to know, bitch. Because you don't have to make talk to you now, you may say.
I'm not follow you. Me not follow you. Because you're an idiot.
You don't call it. You call it nothing.
Yeah, but as I said, do not
You call it all. You call it all.
I'm serious.
You call it all.
Move from out of my face.
I'm gonna call it.
Move from out of my face.
You call it all. Tell me now.
You know where
You
you
call it
can.
all.
You know where you
You
can.
call it all.
Look at my
You
blood
call it
clots.
all.
Look at my shirt.
You call it all.
I'm being and come out there.
You never do it.
Leg off of me, leg off of me. See,
Sure,
I
the
don't
guy wants
want
to-
to lick you. I don't want to lick you.
Oh, you call it all.
I do not want to put my hand on you.
You call it all. You don't sense, man. You grew up now, man. You
Alright, you full of sense.
grew up now, man.
I not grow up, so I'm forever be an idiot.
Grow
So
up now,
left
man.
me.
Grow up, man.
Left me.
I mean, grow up.
Me a forever be an
Grow up,
idiot.
grow up,
Left.
grow
Stop
up,
and
grow up, man.
forever be an idiot.
Grew up now.
I'm
From
more.
bad to worse, man. I love to think with you.
Just thinking, right? Step like say you have sense. You have sense?
I'm
You
more
have
sense
sense?
than you right now.
Yeah, idiot. You have no sense.
Yeah, idiot, you.
Come on, them face.
Man, you lick me, you know. You come in the face, I'm not afraid of you.
My body stink. So come. Come. My body now white good as what you say.
You know, I'm feeling serious, you know.
I have also the
Stop
laptop
playing with me,
issues.
stop playing. You must not love me. Stop playing with me.
I have mashed up and I buy it back.
Want you buy back my laptop?
Nah, buy it
Buy back my
back.
laptop? Or, yeah, but that's done right now, so.
It's not done right now, sir.
Done, you know.
Me and I don't know, so I don't have time. I don't have to struggle here and I'm packed for gamma my yard. I'm there so comfortable.
What
Bye.
think that joke me make?
Me not joke. Bye. All of a sudden, the laptop mash up as my gun now.
No, for real. From what the edit on my laptop. Me
Yeah,
day
but-
after the work, you come. After I'm down the screen. Is there money back?
Are you money to buy the man one?
Oh, yeah, mash up. Tell the truth.
You.
Oh.
You shut
Oh.
it down for my earphone.
Yo, so wicked, you know?
Over the corner, to went over the corner was like over
It's
there.
an accident that I'm by.
Oh.
You the man by
At the
spite.
end of the day, it's still
Mash up man by spite.
I never mash up none by Sprite.
What do you mean?
Careful, careful, careful,
You do
careful.
somebody angry, I still
Yeah.
fight, you know?
Careful.
Control
Back on my
yourself.
bun, eh?
Control yourself, man.
Me no want in an argument.
This try man things and I come out like tell like
Me
me
do
tell
not
you.
want in an argument. Me not
Let me tell you, tell the truth.
Careful, me never mash up a laptop for Sprite. If you say mash up,
Oh,
no
so you agree
mash
now?
up, so it's fine. If you say mash up, oh well, who me people say it?
Tell me sorry.
Osh,
Sorry, I'm not here.
osh.
I'm not a father already here. Okay, act like one.
Your mother. How that feel? I'm not sorry.
Oh.
Don't come and say no.
Let's everything I go.
Do not come
Let's
and
everything
say
I go.
anything you call me, your mother, the same thing. She a woman too.
I'm calling you a queen.
Me a queen, me know me a
So
queen.
you
I
are a
need a
queen.
man to tell me that.
So what? It says
He's a blood clot queen.
bitch
Then I-
name. You
yeah,
tell you a
but
bitch, I
who-
believe it. But I'm say already. I
Yeah,
believe
me
it.
like a family.
I believe it.
Like a family careful. Me don't want to, you know, me don't want to vampire.
I'll be something from my
But
day.
me don't want to do it. Yeah, irritate.
It's not like a woman beater. But you know what?
Oh.
I'm a prank, you know. I'm probably a prank, you know, for real. Oh, I'm prank, you know.
Ah, my back your bun, me
I'm prank,
stop.
prank, you still, no. So,
Nah, laugh.
it's angry.
Kaya ko na better mo ba laptop ang
But mom, my laptop, my laptop free in real life, you know.
Kaya pa leave me alone.
My laptop back, I mean, you give my laptop.
And I understand when people say I'm back at my bun name.
Where is my table, Abby?
God, the dude, me tell you, say dude come up big, and me wonder, oh, them big something come out of the bottom. Them something are right.
Nike.
No, careful. I
Sorry.
feel uncomfortable. Watch ya. Come like you kiss dude now. Watch ya, my dog.
So you're shit then?
Yeah, come
You're a
here.
piece of shit.
Dude, me not be it.
You're not piece of shit then?
Careful, sir, stand now.
Okay,
Stand.
fine. You're not piece of shit then?
Don't fucking come and tell about mash up laptop also. After you done the people just take a nice shit. And it can act.
One thing I'm sure about, when I'm sure about Abby, she get angry.
Come
So,
like, what?
with a sure.
I change my mind.
What a bed. Shitty really. Abby ever shitting the people. Abby ever shitting them. But just can guarantee say, if she not sleep on a prank her, she must have shit. All the time we can actually get time for prank her. If she not sleep, she do do.
Yes, no. It's
Come on.
serious. No. Stand bottom my arm for chew.
Guys.
Comfortable.
Yo, my girl, me catch you while ago, act like you know
Yeah, but I'm not really busy. Yeah,
Sure.
I'm not really busy, boy.
Guys, if you enjoy the prank here, comment Team Capo down below. I've been ready for this yet. I've been eating for draw like
No,
1,
you're
2,
gonna make
3.
champagne. Come on. Hey, make a black champagne.
I've been eating for draw like 1, 2, 3. Watch ya. I will show you one. Guys, from the comment section with Team Capo. And make sure to go over to Abby and Capo Comedy TV and make sure we reach 1,000 subscribers. What our goal? 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to Abby's Madness. Link will be in the description or on the screen right here. Until then, AC Gang is out.